I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Vinchef brand, their non-stick deep well cast aluminum frying pan skillet with 11-inch lid, and it holds 5 quarts. It's got German 3C called ceramic coating technology. There's no PFOA and no APEO. It has a little silicone heat sensor right there. I've never seen that before. That will let you know when it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now this product is loved by customers. It gets 2,200 excellent customer ratings. And it provides a 30-day money back and a free replacement within 6 months if you're not satisfied. That's pretty amazing. It also comes with a little instruction sheet that tells you how to take care of it, how to prepare it for the first use. Now, as most pans get shipped, you got to put the handle on, and there is a screw right there, an opening, and it comes with the appropriate screw and gasket washer you're going to need. This comes upside down, so you got to flip the handle on the other side. They do that to have it stored properly. So let's assemble this and then let's come back. So there it is assembled. The handle here and here are a material called Bakelite, and Bakelite's been around for many, many years. It's patented and it's incredibly durable. You can put this in the oven, 300, 350 degrees. What I love is this is cast and it's polished. So this is totally smooth. So as the heat conducts to the aluminum, because this is an aluminum material, it will reach this little silicone sensor and it should change the color, and we'll test that out. So I flip the handle around on here, and you notice that the handle has a really nice silicone gasket on there to keep it all sealed, and there's a silicone gasket on there also where you tighten it. And again, this is all beautiful and smooth, and I love how it's oversized so that you have no trouble holding that in place. And you notice there's a little vent hole right there, which is important to let steam out. Now let's take a look at the pan itself. It has pouring edges on there, cast into the aluminum. Really, really nice. And look how deep this is. So to me, this is like a mini wok. Now look at the casting, how they have these little fanned out areas, almost like leaves. And that's to have the heat conduct in a certain way. And then this base right here has a conductive material inside of it. And they do that so that it will work with induction ovens. And if I were to put a magnet on here, you can see that the magnetic field, if I were to put a magnet on here, you can see that it conducts energy and it has magnetic force. And that means this could be used for an induction oven, not just gas or electric. Very, very nice. Here I have the pan all cleaned and dried, and I have it on medium. And I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in there. The oil is going to absorb into the non-stick coating on there. And make sure whenever you use a pan like this, you use siliconized tools, spatulas, flipping devices, so that you don't put any scratches. Now we're going to rub that in. Here I'm just going to use a paper towel. Then we're going to turn the heat off, and we're going to rub it and clean it further, and then it's ready to use. So as I'm heating the pan up, I'm still on medium heat, I noticed that that little silicone sensor is going from red to white. You can see right there, it's slowly encroaching there. So that's the first time I've ever seen a pan. So now I know that I'm ready to stir fry at this point. And here I'm going to show you, I have a thermal imaging camera, and I can put that on the pan right there, and you see the heat distribution right there, right in the center outward. So that's showing me that this is very evenly heated, which is what you want. So here my wife's making some low-fat kung pao chicken. Because it's non-stick, you can use less oil. So she has the vegetables ready, and we're looking at that little sensor, and it's starting to get white. So it's ready for us to start cooking. How much oil is that?
That's just a half a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to put
half a tablespoon.
I'll use another half for the chicken. Wow, starts sizzling right away.
And what's nice is because it has the high side on there, you don't have to worry about food flying out. I would end up having things fly out of my pan. This has got the high side. So it's like a mini wok in some ways.
Nice.
So now that they've gotten a little brown, add another half tablespoon of oil. And she's going to put in some garlic and some chicken. There's the garlic. Next she's going to add some combination of sauce ingredients. And you can hear that the searing is going constantly. And you see how that stayed white? So it's telling you that it's maintaining 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is really impressive. So it conducts the heat very effectively and keeps maintaining the heat. Now she's going to add peanuts. Now we're just covering it like you saw, and we're going to lower the heat a little bit. You see how it generates the steam right away. It's got that vent hole on there to let the steam out. So now we remove the cover, and it's all finished and beautiful. Let's take a look at that. Look at that. Look at the colors and look at the sauce. And the pan did a beautiful job on it. And it has the lip on both sides so that if there's any liquid when you're releasing what you cooked, it helps it come out more evenly.
Nice.
So look how nice. The pan is totally non-stick, nothing sticking to it, and cleanup is so easy. All you have to do is wipe it with a paper towel. Look at that beautiful, look at a beautiful dish right there that I cooked with this pan. So after testing, what do I think about the Vinchef brand, the non-stick deep well cast iron aluminum frying pan with this beautiful lid on here? Everything about this is high quality. I'm very impressed with it. It worked really well as I demonstrated. This pan is going to last a really long time, and you got that excellent guarantee from the company for 6 months replacement. I'm totally impressed with this product. I love the handles on here. Everything about this worked amazing, including that little sensor. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.